Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin filter for your Model Y and Model 3. This is my dirty cabin filter, and I actually replace it with this cabin filter right here that has an activated carbon, and this also comes with a full kit. So if you don't have any other tools, this is all you need to replace the cabin air filter for your Model Y and Model 3. First thing you want to do is you want to move your seat as far back as you can. So I'm just gonna move it back. Then you want to remove your mat so you have space to remove that side panel. And then you want to remove this ambient light panel right here. So to remove this, very easy, just use your pry tool. If you have a flathead screwdriver, you can use that too. So you just want to lift this tab right here. So it's going to be like this, so just do this for the rest of the tabs. You're going to have one here, 2, 3, 4, and I think that's it. I think you have 4, and then after that you should be able to pull this thing out. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out first, and then pull the rest of the tab, like this one. You just have to pull it out. Then you have 2 wires to remove here. So the first one here, you have like a little tab right here that you have to push down. So, and once you push it down, you should be able to pull this thing out. Okay, so just be careful that you don't damage the wire. Okay, and then you have a speaker wire right here. I don't see any tabs right here for you to press. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hold it squarely right here, and then try to wiggle it a little. And I was able to pull it out. Okay. Once you remove the ambient light panel, all you need to do now is to remove this side cover. And to remove that, we're going to be using this pry tool that comes with a filter. And basically, to remove it, you just want to look for a position where you can actually push this thing in. Okay, and then after that, you just want to try to pull it up a little. And then you just want to guide it. Okay, so this part right here, the middle part is a little hard because there's a snap right here in the middle. So I'm just gonna go enter my hand right here and just try to push it. Okay, and same thing right here. So now I was able to remove it. And if you look here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 white tabs. Okay, and then this is the one that makes it a little harder because this thing actually goes inside, I think right over here. Okay, and also you have this that goes to this side right here. So you just want to make sure to align it, and also to put it back, you want to start aligning this one first to this hole right here. And then after that, everything should be able to go back smoothly. Okay, next we're going to be using this Torx screw that comes with a filter kit. I'm going to be using this to remove this screw right here. Okay, so you want to make sure that you don't drop this screw. So you just want to guide it until you can do it by hand, and then after that, just use your finger to remove it so that you don't accidentally drop it. And once you do that, you just want to remove this thing. So right here, you're going to see your first filter. So you just want to hold the tab and pull it. And then you have another filter down here. You want to pull it up and take it out. So this is the filters that I removed from the car, and you can see right now it is very dirty. And this is the one that I'm gonna be using to replace it. This is an upgraded filter. It comes with activated carbon on one side, and if you look closely, there's like little carbons on those honeycombs, and you can actually hear that when you shake it. This is exact same size, but this is a more sturdy build. So I really like this one right here. And if you look closely at the filter, you're going to see you have a text and an arrow that tells you that the activated carbon should be facing the seat. So when you install this, it should be like this. And this actually makes sense because you want to be able to access the tab when you install this thing. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna go do the first one. So I'm just gonna go like this and then drop it. That's my first filter. And then we're gonna do the second filter. You want to make sure that you have the tabs out, okay, when you install it. So this is my bottom tab and my upper tab is right here. I can access it. Once you do that, you just want to install your cover back. So I'm just gonna go just guide it right here. And then I'm just gonna put the screw back in. We'll use the Torx screw that comes with the kit. And then we just need to put everything back together. First, we wanna return the cover, and you wanna make sure that you are aligning this into this hole right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that first. I'm just gonna guide that plastic part into the hole. And once I do that, everything should snap in easily. Next is to return this small panel up here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the speaker cable back in. Just snap it in. And then I'm just gonna go put this light cable back here. And now I should be able to snap everything back together. Then I'll return all these tabs. Then just push it in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's about it. I hope that this video helped you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And thank you for watching.